Hey guys, my name is May Ariane and I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. Right now I am contouring my face using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. And I had already did my brows in the previous video. If you have not seen that video yet, go check it out. Oh yeah, I had previously recorded this video a couple months ago and I'm just now uploading it. So that's why I have on the same outfit that I had on in my last video. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and I'm going to apply it up under my eyes. And I'm going to apply it to my nose and to my forehead. And now I'm just contouring my nose.
That's good.
And now I'm just taking a sponge to fill in my concealer.
That's good. That's good.
And now I'm going to apply my foundation. It is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 355 Coconut.
That's good.
And I'm taking my makeup brush and making sure I'm all blended together and looking good.
That's good.
And now I'm using my highlighter to highlight my nose. So now I've added my lashes on off camera. And this is the finished look. If you do like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in another video.